When you're creating if-else branches in Python, there's some relational operators that you can use to help make decisions. Two equal signs in a row is the equality operator. The exclamation mark equal sign is the not equals operator. The right angled bracket is the greater than sign. The right angled bracket followed by the equal sign is the greater than or equal to. The left angled bracket is the less than operator. And the less than followed by the equal sign, less than or equal to operator. Let's try some of these out in Python. All right, let's create a few variables. Say name is Bob. Age is, Bob sounds like he's 45. Let's say Bob is sick and he has a fever and his temperature is 102. Let's create an if-else branch statement. If age is less than 62, okay, then we'll print, so we can just print the variable name is not a senior citizen. Else, then we know that Bob is a senior citizen. Okay, don't forget the colon after the else. Run the program. So Bob is not a senior citizen, but in a couple of years when Bob turns 82, then he will be a senior citizen. So this example uses the less than operator. We can use the comparison operator. If age is exactly 62, let's make Bob's age 62. We can print out Bob just became a senior and let's forget about this else part for now. So let's see. Bob just became a senior citizen, and if he was 63, he had already been a senior citizen for 1 year, so it doesn't print out anything because there's no else part. All right, let's try the not equal operator. Let's say Bob's age is 21, and if his age is exactly, or actually not equal to 21, using the exclamation mark followed by the equal sign, combined those two characters make the not equal operator. Bob is not forever 21, but if he is 21, that's the only time it'll go to the else part, and we'll print out name is forever 21. So Bob is forever 21. Let's try one more thing. Let's try the greater than. If age is, not age, but temp is greater than, say, 98, or greater than, actually, let's do it greater than or equal to 98. Let's say Bob has a fever. If not, is all good, right? So Bob has a fever because he's got a temperature of 102. And it doesn't matter what number it is, as long as it's greater than or equal to 98. If it's exactly 98, he still has a fever. But as soon as it's one number below, 97, Bob's all good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think we covered greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.